Hi, I'm Dr. Shweta,
Hi, I'm Dr. Heta.
and this is our Physikinesis Performance Lab. So this lab is one of its kind in Thane and Mumbai, and it is basically going to be catering to the athletic population and anybody and everybody who wants to take their performance to the next level. So Dr. Heta, would you like to share with everybody that what is the concept of this space? Because many people think that it's just a gym.
So, this is just not a gym. The concept is based on pillars of peak performance. What we do here is once the athlete or individual walks in, we run a battery of performance tests. On the basis of the report, we execute a structured scientific plan which is developed by the experts of the sports science industry. So, is this place only for athletes?
Actually, it's for anybody and everybody who basically wants to take their performance to the next level. Performance can mean anything to anybody. For an athlete, it's about winning a competition. For somebody, would be to do a trek. For somebody else, it would be just to function in their daily activities. But at the end of the day, they are performing something. Now, how does this work and why we are getting this concept of testing, executing and then performing is because exercise is also very dose dependent. Now we all go to doctors for medical conditions and the doctor gives us a prescription of a certain milligrams of a tablet twice a day. There is a purpose behind this because that medicine is dose dependent and the effect that it has is on your body is also dependent on how much you're giving it. You can't just randomly pop the pills and it would have some adverse reactions on your body. The same concept, and we would like to educate the community about this concept of exercise also, that exercise need not be something monotonous as doing 20 minutes of each cardio machine or just randomly doing some kind of weight training without any purpose. If you plan your workouts and if it is scientifically done, you can achieve a specific goal, and that's what we want to give back to this community of the athletic and the ever increasing population of fitness enthusiasts in our city and across Mumbai.